Welcome to Kidz Vidz, and in this video I'll be showing you one of my favorite toys, and that is a Beyblade. And you must know that Beyblades are very costly, so why not make your own Beyblade? So as you can see, this is the layer and this is a small tip. So I'll show you how the Beyblade works. Three, two, one, let it rip! And if you don't have a launcher, you can always play with your hands. Like that. Now I'll show you how to make a paper Beyblade. So the materials you'll need are 2 sheets of paper for the top layer of the Beyblade and 1 small sheet of paper for the tip, and 1 scissor, a pen, and 1 hot glue gun. If you don't have hot glue gun, you could use your normal glue. So let's get started. So first, we're going to take this piece of paper and we're going to roll it up. And make sure you're rolling it tightly. So now we're going to take the hot glue and we're going to stick it. So now that we rolled our first piece of paper, we're going to do the same thing with our second piece of paper. Now that we've rolled these 2 sheets of paper, we're going to join them together. Now that we've stuck these 2 together, we're going to roll them up this way. So this is how it looks like when it's rolled up. Now I'm going to take the hot glue and I'm going to stick it. So now my top layer is ready. Now we're going to make the tip. So we're going to take the second sheet of paper and you're going to take the pen and you're going to draw a small circle. And then you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut that out. So now that we've cut it out, we're going to take our scissors and we're going to cut a little bit to the dot. And then we're going to take this cut and we're going to make it a cone shape. Next, we're going to take the hot glue and you're going to stick it. So this is how the tip looks like. Now we're going to take the tip and you're going to take the layer and you're going to take the tip and you're going to stick it right on with the hot glue. So now that the tip dried up, it should look something like this. Now, let's test it out. It works pretty well. Now, let's test it with the launcher. Three, two, one, let it flip. Now that I have 2 Beyblades, what are you waiting for? Make your own Beyblade. Bye guys! If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel by clicking this link over here. Bye!